In today's video, I'm going to be doing unboxing from K-Beauty, ANG Beauty retailer, which is called STYLEVANA. I actually didn't know that they carry some Japanese products as well. I was looking at their sunscreens before. They were kind enough to send me those products to try out, so let's get into it. So I would like to start from the biggest box. It's a trial kit from Beauty of Joseon and STYLEVANA. It's clear skin set. It contains trial size products. So this one is just a few samples of the Dynasty cream. I don't know how it looks like, to be honest, but it's actually pretty a lot to try, and each packet is 1 milliliter and it's expired 2024. What is sad is that this package leaked a little bit. It's basically exfoliator. It's bubble toner with green plum and AHA. Half of the bottle, so I think you need to shake it. Actually, I cannot read right here. The ingredient list is also kind of blurred out, and the instruction, the rest is in Korean, so I think you need to shake it, and then you can see some bubbles. So basically just a liquid toner, just in bubble shape. So let's see how it's going to look like. Oh, this is interesting. Toners in the bubble. I think it's pretty interesting experience to create it in the bubble form. So I think it can be more gentle on the skin than just the liquid, because I have the one essence with AHA and it feels kind of sticky after, but I think this is a great idea to have like a bubble toner. So look at that. It feels like it's barely feels on the skin. I like it. It also has some scent like an acidic scent. So the rest is actually a right fine. So this one is a trial size of calming serum, green tea and panthenol. I think it's also very nice to combine that bubble toner with AHA and then use calming serums. When you use exfoliating ingredients, you need to protect your skin barrier so then you don't get irritation. So you need to kind of like calm your skin so then it doesn't break out and doesn't get more red than it's supposed to. Pretty lightweight consistency. It's absorbed very quickly. Like, yeah, you can see some glow. It didn't absorb well yet. So the consistency is very nice. It's very lightweight and doesn't leave stickiness. I think it's worth to check it out. So it's a calming serum, green tea, panthenol, Beauty of Joseon. And from this trial kit is also another serum with propolis and niacinamide. It feels similar on the skin like the Cosrx propolis ampoule. It feels nice, like, you know, it covers the skin, like it feels very soft immediately, but also I think it's because, you know, I already put this bubble toner and this green tea serum and this serum on the top, so then the skin feels like protected pretty much. The rest of the products are from Tiam and also from Koelf. So I'm very excited to try hydrogel eye patches. I used a few before, but I'm not like using it regularly. It has like a little spatula. 2 months after opening, then you need to use it up. So it's 30 pairs. So it's, let's say if you use it every day, it's basically the whole jar will last you 1 month. So let's say if you don't use it every day, yeah, I think you can finish it in 2 months, as it says right here. Well, let's see how it's going to look like. What I like about Korean product, that all the time it's protected with a foil. Here you go. This is what eye patches, how they look like. And let's see, let's try the spatula to be hygienic. This is how the eye patch look like. I remember that I used hydrogel eye patches and they were pretty thick, but this one feels like it's pretty thin. Let's see. It seems like it's pretty thin and it soaks pretty much in essence. Yeah, it has a rose scent. It's pretty, I would say that it's mild, like it's not so strong. So this is how the eye patch look like on my face. So what I love is that it covers very big area right here. I think you can change it like to this side. I think this is more reasonable because why such a big area is actually made. So then you moisturize, you hydrate. I don't think that eye patches are made for moisturizing. I think they're more for hydrating. So where you have all those crow's feet, gives a very nice cooling effect. So for example, if you you know, have a very hard day and you're so tired, I think it's also nice to put an eye patch like for 10 minutes just to relieve your, you know, puffiness, or in the morning, for example. It's still better than use face mask, sheet mask. So basically it's water and glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant and basically it brings hydration to your eyes, under eye area. So another 3 products that I have here, I have the Tiam. I actually never tried this brand before, and I'm about to try the sunscreen in the red tube from this brand, and I will review it soon on my channel as well, so stay tuned. This is again exfoliator, AC fighting PHA 12 purifying liquid. Yeah, it says that you can use it as a toner instead of a toner, and during the day follow the sunscreen, but I would say better not to use any exfoliating ingredients during the day. Only use it at night, and the day just use something very simple in the sunscreen just to avoid you know, irritation, increasing photosensitivity throughout the day. It's gentle liquid that helps mildly remove dead skin cells and sebum for a clear and smoother skin. And look at the ingredient list, it's pretty short, so it contains water and basically tea tree. So I think it's very good to try for oily skin types. My combination skin is sometime on the oilier side, so I think it will be suitable for me as well, and it contains PHA 12%. See how it looks like. It's pretty liquidy. And I would say that I feel that it might feel sticky, you know, because it feels like it's already pretty moisturizing at the same time. It's not going to be drying, you know, and it's absorbed pretty well as well. Another one is also from Tiam, and it's a peeling gel. Those who love scrubs know that it's actually damaging your skin. So if you still want to have like experience of exfoliating, like something physical, not using the acids, you can use peeling gels. This is what I love about Korean products, that it always has a protective seal. Basically it's crumbing up pretty fast. You know, you need to work it on the skin, so gently massage it. So basically it's like a scrub but in gentler form. I tried another peeling gel, and that peeling gel was pretty much like, it crumbles pretty fast. This one, it doesn't crumble that fast. I'm not sure how well it removes the dead skin cells, but it's nicer experience than using the scrubs like walnut scrubs, apricot scrubs, and etc. So it will be gentler on your skin than physical exfoliators. I prefer honestly exfoliating ingredients in shape of serums or essences, toners. It doesn't crumble that much, so it's actually pretty nice. I like the texture. Basically, yeah, it contains cellulose, and it also contains alcohol, but alcohol is for the consistency, and I think it's not that bad as, you know, you put something with alcohol on your skin for a long time. This one, you need to wash it with water. as I feel that my skin feels softer immediately, because you know it might contain something like blueberry extract, blackberry extract, fruit, raspberry, strawberry, cranberry, oh my gosh, all kind of red fruits are in this peeling gel. And then the last but not least is Koelf, same as this eye patches that I tried already, and it's a body spray. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's spraying everywhere. Can you imagine this? And as far as I read, that it also contains alcohol and witch hazel. Also says that it's 360-degree spray. So this is what I said, that the nozzle is basically spraying the liquid everywhere. It's hard to reach areas, easy to spray, and quickly to spot areas, straighten skin barrier, blackhead scare. So it's basically for those who have like acne on the body. This is the product that they can try. It doesn't have salicylic acid in it, so it's safe to use during the day and throughout the day, because if you use like salicylic acid or AHA or whatever in your body products, you also need to wear sunscreen on your body to prevent photosensitivity and hyperpigmentation, because you're basically exfoliating your skin. So this one is actually nice to carry around in the purse, in the backpack, and spray throughout the day just to refresh. So actually you can use it after shower, dry skin, then spritz body spray from 1 to 2 times on chest and back spots that need calming. So this is all for the try on and unboxing the haul from STYLEVANA. I repeat that it's a retailer of K-Beauty and J-Beauty, and they're located in Hong Kong, and shipping was pretty fast. So the brands that I try is Beauty of Joseon, Tiam, and Koelf. 2 products of Koelf and 2 products of Tiam, and 3 products, actually 4 products of Beauty of Joseon from trial kit with STYLEVANA. And if you're interested in more hauls and reviews of skincare and mostly sunscreens, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next videos, and bye bye.